Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to put live wallpaper on your mobile home screen. Okay, so first you need to have the live wallpaper on your file. So any video format will do as long as it's a video or MP4 format. So in my case, I already have the file, which is this one. So this is the video that I want for my live wallpaper on a home screen. Okay, so second, for this one, so we're going to open or download an app. So we go to the Play Store and we go to this one, Video Live Wallpaper. So this is the icon. So you have to install it. So in my case, it's already installed. So after you download it, so we go back to the home screen and open the app that we just downloaded. Okay, just one moment. Okay, here. So in the first option, tap this one and then select the file or video format that you had in your file. So in my case, this one, the Honkai Impact Third. There. Then on the upper right of the screen, one moment. Okay. So on the upper right corner on the screen, tap it, and then if you want to change the setting, you can just go there and do some changes if you want. But in my case, I will just going to hit apply, then set to desktop, and there you have it, our live wallpaper on home screen. So this is my live wallpaper on my Android phone. I hope you learned something in my tutorial video. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
来和仙儿一起玩吧。